By now, you know that Sean Diddy Combs has been convicted of interstate transportation of prostitutes, two counts, and has been denied bail. Although I really am concerned about the assaults against the women, particularly disrespecting black women as such, we must go with what he has been convicted of and respect the jury. And as I had predicted, he should be convicted after hearing and closing arguments of only the 2 counts of interstate transportation of prostitutes. We'll see in the future. Listen to us this next week on the Mathis verdict, as we'll talk about the entire case and the sentencing. The sentencing guideline for a first-time offender is 21 months to 27 months for each count. We'll see whether they're consecutive, whether they're concurrent, or if he deviates from that first-time offender assessment or sentence, if you will. Stay tuned.
You know, there's a lot going on right now with the Diddy trial. I've seen a clip of you saying that you know, if you were in charge over this case, you would give him 5 to 10 years. I kind of want to know, from what we've seen so far, what are your thoughts on everything?
Those are state charges. I would give him 5 to 10 years for the multiple assaults against women, and I think they've proven that he was involved with the arson, burglary, being in the man's house. You don't have to break in, you don't have to break anything, kick the door down. Just being in someone's house unlawfully without their permission is burglary. So I think those 3 things have been proven, but they're state crimes, and their statute of limitation has expired. So that is irrelevant. The federal charge is where I think only thing they have proven thus far in the Rico case is the interstate transfer of prostitutes. And perhaps now, from what I heard yesterday, from Jane, I believe it is, she suggested that interstate transfer of drugs for personal use. The prosecutor charged, however, in the Rico with distribution. Distribution is typically the sale, but in this case, they are charging for distribution, which I think is more like personal use. You send someone out to buy the drugs and y'all party off of it, as opposed to buying them and selling them or distributing them for money.
He was pretty much right about his prediction, man.
Roger, tell these
King Goose.
subscribe to the Prophet channel.
Oh, they got you.